I'm Tanjot Singh from Leelavati Vidya Mandir School. So, as we know, air pollution is a growing concern worldwide. There are many sources of pollution such as vehicular exhaust, industrial exhaust, etc. So, nowadays pollution is even found in our homes, but it is often neglected. So, to tackle this problem, we have come up with a solution, Home Shield. Our solution tackles the problem of air pollution in our homes using affordable and simple water sprinkler technology. So this is our prototype Home Shield. It consists of two inlet fans, and one is the inlet fan and one is the outlet fan. So this fan sucks the air from the surroundings and it sends it to this purifier. Here it is facilitated to mix with water in the form of sprinkler so that particles such as PM 2.5, PM 10, etc. dissolve in it and come down the drainage. So this is the reservoir which we use to store the water. So the cleaner air is facilitated to come out using this fan. And as we know, particulate matter is the main cause of various respiratory diseases such as asthma, bronchitis, etc. And our prototype can also be installed in hospitals, etc. to clean the air. So this is also a UV light which we have a provision to capture pathogens such as viruses and bacteria. It also stops molds from forming in the air. We also have a provision of packed bed which is inserted here to increase the surface area to mix water with air. And we also have a provision for packed bed of charcoal which also captures particulate matter which is inserted here. Now let's see the working of a prototype. As you can see, we have replicated the smoke in our homes using this incense stick. The average AQI in our homes is roughly 200 ppm and it can go even up to 300 during winters. So as we measure the pollution near the inlet, we find that it goes up to 100 ppm. So let's see the reading at the outlet. So as we can see, the pollution level is slowly decreasing. As you saw, the pollution level decreases drastically when it is facilitated to mix with water in the form of sprinklers, and particles like PM 2.5 and PM 10 dissolve in it, which makes the air fresh. Our solution will be very innovative and helpful for those who are looking for a cheap alternative to various air purifiers, because as we have researched, the average cost of air purifiers which are of good quality are roughly 30,000 rupees, but the actual cost of prototype will be less than rupees 5,000, which is affordable to every common citizens of this country. Thank you.